Hey there, my name is Nancy, and today I want to share an incredible discovery that can transform the lives of many women dreaming of becoming mothers, NuviaLab Female Fertility. This nutritional supplement is specially designed to support female reproductive health and increase the chances of conception. Let's explore together how it works, its advantages, and why it's essential to buy it only from the official website. How does NuviaLab Female Fertility work? NuviaLab Female Fertility is a unique blend of 19 high-quality herbal extracts, vitamins, and minerals, all carefully selected to promote female fertility and improve reproductive system function. Its key ingredients include myo-inositol, fucus algae extract, choline, coenzyme Q10, selenium select 5000, maca extract, folic acid, vitamin D, and a complex of other essential vitamins and minerals. Each of these components plays a crucial role in hormonal regulation, ovarian health, and ovulation support. One of the biggest advantages of NuviaLab Female Fertility is its ability to maintain hormonal balance, which is essential for the optimal functioning of the reproductive system. Balanced hormones help regulate the menstrual cycle and ensure healthy egg production. Additionally, this supplement supports natural intimate activity, increasing libido and improving sexual well-being, which is essential for couples trying to conceive. Another outstanding benefit is its role in cell division support, which is vital not only for reproductive health, but also for the early development of the embryo after conception. NuviaLab Female Fertility also reduces fatigue and tiredness, providing more energy and vitality for daily life. This is especially important because stress and exhaustion can negatively affect fertility. Now, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of purchasing NuviaLab Female Fertility only from the official website. This ensures that you receive an authentic, high-quality product and avoids the risk of buying counterfeit or low-quality supplements. By purchasing through the official site, you get exclusive offers, special discounts, and the manufacturer's satisfaction guarantee. Your health and well-being are priceless, and choosing a trusted source is the best way to protect yourself and get the best possible results. In summary, NuviaLab Female Fertility is a powerful and natural solution for women who want to support their reproductive health and increase their chances of conception. With its carefully crafted formula and proven benefits, this supplement can be the ally you've been looking for on your journey to motherhood. Don't miss the opportunity to experience the benefits of NuviaLab Female Fertility. Take the next step toward your dream of becoming a mother today. Click the link on the description below before the prices goes up.